Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to rename, add, delete, and move the Excel worksheet. You must be aware that this number sheet 1 is basically a worksheet. We can add new worksheet by clicking this plus sign, or we can use right click here, then this insert option. It will give me different function, and out of these all options we can use worksheet and then click OK. A new worksheet will get open. To delete a particular worksheet, we will right click on it and then delete it. There is another option to delete this. We can use this option also, delete sheet. It will delete the particular cell worksheet. Now, as we know that this is my sheet 4 name, if we wanted to change the name of this, just double click on this. It will give us option to modify this. We can put some name here as per our convenience. So by this we can change the name also. As we can see that it is the second option, that sheet 1 is the first, training is the second. If we wanted to move it from training should go the first, then sheet 1 is the second. Just click here, use your left button on your mouse and just move it here. Now the position has also been changed. These were our topics that we covered: how to rename, how to move, delete and insert a worksheet.